Are your Microsoft DirectX apps crashing due to the d3dscache.dll DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Quickly resolve Direct3D shader cache inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the Direct3D shader cache. It manages the localized storage of compiled shaders to reduce stuttering during gameplay. It handles the iControl D3D shader cache interface. If corrupted, games will experience severe frame time spikes or report GPU driver hang errors as the system fails to retrieve cached shader data. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. d3dscache is typically part of a game's graphics stack. Install the latest Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime using the official web installer to restore legacy D3DX, X-input, or X-audio components. Then update your GPU drivers if the file is OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA related. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A simple restart can resolve file in use errors that mimic a missing Direct3D shader cache message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Since a standard reinstall didn't fix the library error, we need to perform an integrity check on the host program. If you are using a launcher like Steam or Epic, use the Verify Integrity of Game Files tool. For standalone apps, manually delete the application folder in your local app data directory before reinstalling to ensure no corrupted files are locked in the cache. Why are we doing this? Well, standalone installers often skip files that are already present or locked. Using integrity tools or clearing the app data cache forces a byte-for-byte replacement of your DLL file. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install Direct3D shader cache DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If you're reviewing error messages or system alerts, the diagnostic kit linked below provides general information for managing Direct3D shader cache. If your workstation is back online and Direct3D shader cache is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.